My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. We are discussing the previous year's question paper for 10th standard students. I will complete 15 videos for 10th standard students. If you attend sincerely all these videos and practice very well, you can score easily 70 to 80% marks. This question is, a plane left 30 minutes less than its scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 1500 kilometer away in time, it had to increase its speed by 100 kilometer per hour from the usual speed. Find its usual speed. See, a plane left 30 minutes less than. So time is given, that is time. That is equal to 30 minutes. Equal to 30 by 60. That is equal to 1 by 2 hour. 1 by 2 hour. Then first thing is time. Second is distance is given. D. Distance. Distance equal 1500 kilometer. Time is given. Distance is also given. Then it had to increase its speed by 100 kilometer per hour from the usual speed. Let usual speed will be, let usual speed equal x. So, see, x plus 100 must be there to reach in time that destination. So, we know speed equal distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. We know 1500 divided by usual speed minus 1500 divided by x plus 100, that is equal to 30 by 60. We know 1500 divided by usual speed minus 1500 divided by usual speed plus 100, it will be equal to 30 by 60. Any doubt? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. So this will be equal to, this is equal to 1500 divided by x minus 1500 divided by x plus 100 equal to 1 by 2 hour. Clear? Next step is, so that is 1500 by x minus 1500 divided by x plus 100, that is equal to 1 by 2. Then simplify. That is 1500 into x plus 100 minus 1500 into x whole divided by x into x plus 100, that is equal to 1 by 2. Take 1500 outside. 1500 is common. So 1500 into x plus 100 minus x minus x whole divided by x into x plus 100, that is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? X will cancel. X will cancel. So this is equal to 1500 into 100, that is equal to x into x plus 100, that is cross multiplication. So 1500 into 100 divided by x into x plus 100, that is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply. So this is equal to 2 into 1500 into 100 equal x into x plus 100. Clear? 1500 into 2, that is 3000 into 100 equal x into x square plus x into 100x. Clear? That is 3000 into 100, that is 3000 into 100, 3 lakhs equal x square plus 100x. Bring 3 lakhs to the right hand side. So this is equal to x square plus 100x minus 3 lakhs equal 0. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Then this is a quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Or you can use the formula, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all by 2a. So this is equal to, clear? Any doubt? Next step is, that is x square plus 100x minus 3 lakhs equal to 0. Split the middle term. Therefore, x square plus 600x minus 500x minus 3 lakhs equals 0. Split the middle term in such a way, when we add these two terms, we must get 100. When we multiply first term and last term, we must get 600x into minus 500x. When we multiply 600x into minus 500x, it will be equal to minus 3 lakhs into x square, first term into last term. Then take x from first two terms, x is common, x into x plus 600 minus, take 500 outside, 500 into x plus 600, that is equal to 0. X plus 600 is common, take x plus 600 outside, into x minus 500, that is equal to 0. This means either x plus 600 equal to 0 or x minus 500 equal to 0. If x plus 600 equal to 0, if x plus 600 equals 0, x equal minus 600, but minus we will not take. If x minus 500 equal to 0, x equal plus 500. So 500 we will take. So the usual speed is 500. That is usual speed. Therefore, usual speed equal 500. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Okay? Next question is, the question is, a motorboat whose speed is 80 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. See, first is given speed of the boat. Speed of the boat is given. Speed is given. Speed equal 18 km per hour. That is given. Then kilometer hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Let x be the speed of the stream. Let x be the speed of the stream. Therefore, 24 divided by 18 minus x minus 24 divided by 18 plus x equal 1 hour. Clear up to this step? Any doubt? Okay. Next step is, that is 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x whole divided by 18 minus x into 18 plus x, that is equal to 1. Take 24 outside. So 24 into 18 plus x minus 18 minus x. Minus into 18, that is minus 18, minus into minus x, that is plus x, whole divided by 18 minus x into 18 plus x, that is equal to 1. Plus 18 minus 18 cancel. X plus x, 2x, that is 24 into 2x divided by 18 minus x into 18 plus x, that is 18 square minus x square, that is equal to 1. 18 square, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 18 square minus x square, that is equal to 1. 24 into 2x, that is equal to 48x, equal, bring 18 square minus x square to the right hand side. So it will be 1 into 18 square minus x square, that is equal to 48x equal 18 square, 18 into 18, that is 324 minus x square. Bring all the term from the right hand side to the left hand side. Therefore, minus x square will become x square plus 48x minus 324 equal to 0. This is a quadrant equation. So to solve this quadrant equation, we can either use the formula, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a, or splitting the middle term. When we split the middle term, it must be, see, when we add these two terms, we must get 48x. When we multiply, we must get, that is first term into last term. Therefore, this is equal to x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 equal to 0. When we add 54x minus 6x, it will be 48x. When we multiply 54x into minus 6x, it will be first term into last term, that is minus 324x square. Take x outside from these two terms. So x into x plus 54. Take minus 6 outside. Minus 6 into x plus 54. That is equal to 0. Take x plus 54 outside. Therefore, x plus 54 into x minus 6, that is equal to 0. Which means either x plus 54 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So, x plus 54 equal to 0, x equal minus 54. We will not take negative. Then x minus 6 equal to 0. X equal 6. Therefore, answer is 6. Clear? Any doubt? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Okay? Next video, we will also continue the previous year's question paper. Wish you all the best. Thank you.